Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download desktop app for ClickUp. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, I assume that you have already opened up on the web. So you are here with this URL link somewhere. So um, yeah, now if you look to the right top side of this URL, you will see here a monitor with the arrow down. And if you go hover over with your mouse here, you will see install ClickUp. So if you press on that, basically the installation app will start instantly. And just like that, you will have it, just a moment, here now on your computer basically. Nothing has changed, just you download it for your computer. And yeah, this is the easiest way, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next